If you're new here, we are Kevin and Christy Comstock.
Here at the Comstock Clan, we share ways that we're building our family culture of faith, family, fun, and freedom. We are joined today by Breslyn and Harbor.
Two of our
Daughters.
biggest animal lovers in the house. All right, we've got a giant box here. And inside, we have hay for the guinea pigs. We do a combination of hay, so we've got some meadow hay, botanical hay, and there's more hay that's coming. We have canned cat food. Oh, that just spilled out.
Oh no. Yeah.
Harbor, what's canned cat food for?
Canned cat food is for my cat.
Yeah,
it's for Breslyn.
It's for Breslyn. But more specifically, someone is gonna have kittens. Pumpkin's gonna have kittens.
So I give her food twice a day. I give her candles every day to help her after giving birth to kittens.
Alright, hold on. We also have 2 bags of cat food. That's not for a cat. We mix these 2 types of cat food for our hedgehog Copper. Grayson's hedgehog to be more specific.
Here, hold me up.
What are they?
Cat food.
No.
Cat treats.
Kitty treats.
Kitty treats.
Kitty treats. Because Breslyn loves feeding the kitties kitty treats. Then we have some supplement treats for the guinea pigs. We have a new bird toy for Zazu, our African gray. And we have a giant bag of bird food for Zazu.
It's for Zazu.
No, it's for Dad.
All right, box number 2.
What?
All right, hold on.
Wow, those beautiful.
All right, you want to pull that up? First, we have another toy for Zazu.
I thought that was a dog toy.
He's gonna love this. He loves taking apart knots, and it's huge, and it's gonna destroy
He's
it.
freaked out by that thing.
He is gonna probably be freaked out.
We have another bag of these.
And we have Zazu treats,
Guinea pig treats.
guinea pig treats,
Oh yay.
Ooh. Hello.
wild bird suet nuggets,
Peanut sugar.
Cat treats.
cat treats,
Guinea pig.
guinea pig
Toys.
chew toys, Timbels. Now this is like, this I think is a little small. This is more like a small bird toy, but
Like
he'll
a
destroy
budgie.
this. Maybe we'll start with this so
Yeah.
he doesn't feel so intimidated by that one.
Good idea.
What are those? Guinea pig treats, and then some more hay variety. We have guinea pig food. We really like the Oxbow brand. It's more of a natural, sometimes organic. An orchard grass hay.
Cat litter.
And lastly, we have more guinea pig food. Again, this is a different type. We kind of alternate between the 2 to give them some variety.
More cat litter.
Those cats do a lot of pooping.
Alright,